Okay. Hey guys, it's the Fox in the back. I'm here with a face reveal, and I'll be reviewing the Flarp Noise Putty that my friend Nevaeh gave me. So, very clicky. Clicky. So stretch bubble is medium. So like you stretch it fast like that, it rips. But stretch it slow and then it rips. And if you stop, it falls. So, kind of bubbly. And you put it back in here. It sounds like a fart. But, smell it. And it smells like strawberry bubblegum. It does. She told me it smelled like strawberry bubblegum. I smelled it. It smells like strawberry bubblegum. It smells like Bubblicious strawberry bubblegum. And it's my favorite gum. It's not farting anymore, so you gotta take it out, play with it. And then you just gotta put it back in, and it farts again. So she might have done something to it, but, she might have done something to the noise putty, but, I'm sick, so, yeah. But, if your Flarp Noise Putty is not stretchy, I still recommend you to buy it because it would be amazing to just have some slime that farts. So, that smells like strawberry bubblegum. All the slime that I've had like that, the Flarp slime that I've had like that, it doesn't smell like strawberry bubblegum, and the package doesn't say that is anything different. But, oh, it's a little sticky. It's a little sticky. Got some on my thumb. But it's not that much for slime, you know. So, just take it out. A close-up of the slime. Let's watch it fall. Okay, I can't really let it fall that much because I am recording this in a car seat. In my little nephew's car seat. So, but, here is, you stretch it out. Oh, hello. But, yeah, I know I stutter a lot. So, that's what I think of the slime. I personally really like slime like this. I love slime like this. Where did the lid go? It's right here. Okay. That would be horrible to just... Oh, that felt good. But that would just be horrible So just lose the lid and then it would just dry out. So don't do that. I have like, oh, Malachi's crying. Oh. Alright, I gotta go. But that was my review of the Flarp Noise Putty. Peace.